Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to tell if someone is faking their location on Live 360. In this video, we'll explore how to spot if someone's might be faking their location on Live 360. First, check their location sharing status. If it's paused, the app will simply display their last recorded spot. Next, watch for abnormal movement patterns. For example, traveling a mile in 1 second is impossible. You can also verify their location against actual GPS maps or known landmarks to see if it matches. Keep an eye out for spoofing apps, which are clone versions designed to send false data. Lastly, remember that location tracking can stop for legitimate reasons, such as low battery or poor network coverage, so don't jump to conclusions too quickly. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.